Excuse me, could you please help me? I seem to be a bit lost in this area.
Of course, I'd be happy to assist you. Where are you trying to get to?
I'm trying to find the Central City Library. It's my first time in this part of town, and my map app isn't being very helpful. Do you happen to know where that is?
Yes, I certainly do. The Central City Library is quite a well-known landmark around here. It's not too far from our current location, thankfully.
Oh, that is a huge relief. I've been walking around in what feels like circles for quite a while now. Could you please give me some clear directions on how to get there?
Absolutely. It's fairly straightforward once you know the way. First, you need to go straight ahead on this street for about 3 blocks.
3 blocks straight ahead. Got it. And as I'm walking those 3 blocks, is there anything specific I should look out for that would tell me I'm on the right track?
Yes, there is. After you've walked past the 3rd block, you'll easily spot a very large and beautiful park on your left-hand side. It has a rather impressive fountain in the middle.
A large park with a big fountain. Okay, that sounds like a good visual cue. And then, what should I do after I pass the park?
Once you've walked past the park, you will very soon come to a major intersection. This intersection has traffic lights. At those traffic lights, you need to turn right.
Turn right at the traffic lights after the park. I think I've got that clear in my mind.
Exactly. You're doing great. After you make that right turn, you need to continue walking for about 2 more blocks.
2 more blocks after the right turn. Okay. Will there be any shops or other buildings I can use to guide myself during those 2 blocks?
Yes, you will. During those 2 blocks, you'll pass a nice little coffee shop on your left and a somewhat larger grocery store on your right. Keep an eye out for those.
A coffee shop on the left and a grocery store on the right during those 2 blocks. I'm trying to remember all the details. Am I repeating that information correctly so far?
You are repeating it perfectly. That's exactly right. The library itself will then be on your left-hand side, just a short distance past the grocery store.
On my left, just past the grocery store. And what does the library building look like? Is it easy to recognize?
Oh, yes, it is. It's a very distinctive building. It's made of red brick, and it has many large glass windows. You really can't miss it.
Red brick with large glass windows on the left. That sounds absolutely easy enough to spot. So, just to confirm the entire route once more, 3 blocks straight, past the park, turn right at the traffic lights, walk 2 more blocks, and it'll be on my left.
That is precisely correct. You have definitely got it now. If you walk at a normal pace, it should probably take you about 15 minutes to reach the library, perhaps a bit less if you walk quickly.
15 minutes. That's not bad at all. I really appreciate you taking the time to help me. I was honestly starting to think I'd never find it on my own today.
No problem at all. It's my pleasure to help. I know how confusing it can be to navigate a new city. Is there anything else I can assist you with while I'm here?
Well, since you're being so incredibly kind and helpful, do you happen to know if there's a particularly good bookstore located anywhere near the library? I was hoping to pick up a new novel.
Oh, yes, you're in luck. There's a truly wonderful independent bookstore called the Book Nook that is just around the corner from the library.
The Book Nook. That sounds very appealing. How exactly do I get to that specific bookstore once I'm already at the library?
Once you've arrived at the library, simply walk past its main entrance and then take the very first left turn you see. The bookstore will be right there. It's a charming little place.
That sounds absolutely perfect. So, my plan is to visit the library first and then take a quick and enjoyable detour to the Book Nook. This is so much better than just aimlessly wandering around.
I'm genuinely glad that I could help make your day a little easier and more enjoyable. I hope you have a fantastic visit to both the library and the bookstore.
Thank you so much for all of these very detailed directions. You have genuinely saved my entire day. I really can't thank you enough.
You are very welcome. Please have a fantastic rest of your day.
You too. Goodbye for now.